Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a bootable Windows 10 USB flash drive so you can easily install Windows on any computer. Before we start, you will need a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of storage. Crucial note, make sure your USB drive is completely empty or back up your files first, because this process will completely erase and format everything on the drive. First, open your web browser and search for Download Windows 10. Click on the very first official link from Microsoft. Once the page loads, scroll down a bit and click on the button that says Create Windows 10 Installation Media to download the media creation tool. Once the download is complete, open the file. The setup wizard will take a few moments to get things ready. When the applicable notices and license terms appear, simply click Accept to move forward. On the next screen, you will be asked what you want to do. Select the second option, Create Installation Media, USB flash drive, DVD, or ISO file, for another PC, and then click Next. Here, you can choose your language, edition, and architecture. By default, it selects the best options for your current PC, so just click Next again. Now, you need to choose which media to use. Select USB flash drive and click Next. Make sure your target USB drive is selected from the list, then click Next one more time. Now, the tool will start downloading the Windows 10 files and flashing them onto your USB drive. This process might take some time depending on your internet speed, so just sit back and wait. Once it's done, you will see a message saying, your USB flash drive is ready. Click Finish to close the tool. Finally, if you open this PC and check your USB drive, you will see that all the Windows 10 setup files have been successfully added. Your bootable USB is now ready to use, and you can plug it into any computer to install a fresh copy of Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.